Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I am going to be showing you how I prepared Boondi Raita. This Boondi Raita can be served as a condiment for naans, biryanis or pulaus. I am preparing a single serve here, but you can double the ingredients and prepare it for the entire family. All the ingredients are laid out for this recipe. Here I will be using finely chopped cucumber, finely chopped carrot, finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped curry leaves and chilies. I'll also be using store-bought boondi, yogurt, chaat masala and cumin powder. A very simple condiment to pair well with your biryani or naans. I'm going to remove all the peanuts from the boondi and use only the boondi. I've placed it in a sieve and added warm water. I'll allow the boondi to soak for a few seconds in the warm water. Drain out all that excess oil and salt. Once the boondi has softened, I've drained it and added to a mixing bowl. I've whisked the yogurt and reserved it. So I will add the yogurt. I'll add the chilies, finely chopped coriander, carrot and cucumber. Few pieces of carrot and cucumber I've reserved for garnish. I'll be adding salt as per taste. I'll combine all the ingredients. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will also be listed in the description box below this video. All recipes are translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be listed in the description box below this video, friends. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Now, once I've stirred and mixed the boondi, I've garnished it with the finely chopped carrot, cucumber and chilies. I've sprinkled a little bit of chaat masala and cumin powder and I've served it. So do give this recipe a try and post your comments if you enjoyed watching all my video recipes. Do subscribe for regular updates. All the links to my blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.